Hey guys, happy Monday, November 18th. I hope you all had a profitable trading day today. Wanted to take a minute to go over some changes that I'm doing in my portfolio and ask you guys a key question. And that question is, would you be interested in a pre-market or early morning live stream where we're going over day trades of the day? After the election, I had a lot of positions in my portfolio that were way up. And so I decided to make some changes in my investment style, at least for the next several weeks, maybe through the end of the year. I moved almost everything into cash to lock in those gains, and I've only been day trading for the last week or so. And so I was wondering, since I am sitting here in pre-market, sometimes at 4 a.m., sometimes 7 a.m., sometimes when the market opens, running my screeners, carefully looking for select runners of the day to day trade, would any of you guys be interested in watching or participating in a live stream to talk about the plays of the day? Last week on Thursday the 14th, I played UAVS. I got in as it started moving at $2.68, and I sold as it peaked here in pre-market at $3.40. It dipped back down as the market opened and then went on to run to $4.80. Man, I wish I wouldn't have sold, but 27% gain in just a few minutes. I was okay with that. And as I'm talking with you guys about day trading, I'm always going to reinforce, be okay with taking profits. It's much better than being stuck in the alternative situation. UAVS got another run today. I was not up early enough in pre-market today to take advantage of that, unfortunately. But sometimes when you have a pre-market runner one day, keep it on your list over the next couple days because they often tend to move again. I don't just limit my day trading to the big runners of the day. I look for other opportunities. And also last Thursday on the 14th, as Tesla was topping out around $344 in the morning, I bought a $330 strike put. I did get out of that one early, maybe a little too early. I made 34% gain on this big red candle. So again, 34% in just a few minutes on that bet. It did go all the way down to $323. I could have doubled my money that day, but again, 34% in a few minutes, I'm okay with that. Today's big play was again buying puts on Tesla after it gapped up on news this morning, again running to $348 as the market was opening and the price was topping out. I bought again that same $330 strike put, and if I would have held it all the way down and sold at $330, it was a 100% gainer for the day. I was thinking as I was watching Tesla melt down that it might break through 330 and close some of that gap that happened in pre-market, and unfortunately that did not happen. So I did not sell at the point where I was up 100%. But I do have strict rules in place. And when it started recovering, I exited the play at $8.14. That was enough to still give me a 57% gain on the day for that play. There is a lot of risk in day trading, and this is not for everyone. But if you are interested in day trading or you're already day trading and you have some experience, and you're looking for a place to hang out, let me know down in the comments if you would be interested in some live streams going over day trading. Or if you're a new day trader and you're wondering about the different rules that you need to be worried about, the good faith violations, the pattern day trading rule, cash account versus margin account, how to pick a play, what kind of things do I look for before I enter a trade. We're not just going after every single daily runner. You have to have criteria for identifying which ticker to go in. You have to have criteria for your entry, and you should have criteria for your exit as well. The biggest reason people lose money day trading is improper selection or not having good rules for themselves for their entries and exits. Sometimes they get in a play and it starts going against them and they hesitate to get out and the losses compound. I talked to a few of you guys that are struggling with that, and I feel your struggle. We've all been there at one time or another. Anyways, let me know your thoughts. Let me know your questions. I hope to hear from you. Thanks for tuning in, and I will see you on the next video.